Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making oatmeal. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have oats, milk, water, and honey. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Into a non-stick pot, I will pour in the water, then pour in the milk, then add the oats. After that, I will add 3 tablespoons of honey. You can add sugar if you don't like honey or any other sweetener you want. Then stir it round until everything is well combined. I'll leave it to boil for 4 minutes. I will not be covering the pot with any lid because if you cover it, the liquid will come out of it and it will mess up the gas or the stove or anything you are cooking the oatmeal with. So guys, it's up to 4 minutes now. You can see the oatmeal is boiling. I will stir it around for about 1 to 2 minutes until I get the desired thickness that I want. If you want your oatmeal to be very thick, you keep stirring it around until you get the desired thickness that you want. But if you don't want it to be that thick, you stop stirring it around and put off the gas or the stove or anything you are cooking the oatmeal with. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my oatmeal. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.